Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to buy and sell Bitcoin using Venmo. First, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Crypto tab, which is the third icon from the left. Here, you'll find options for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. To buy Bitcoin, select it from the list and tap Buy. Be aware that Venmo charges a 50-cent fee for cryptocurrency purchases. For this demonstration, I'll buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. Keep in mind that other platforms like Cash App or Coinbase may have lower fees. After entering $10, tap Review to verify your transaction details, then tap Buy Bitcoin to finalize the purchase. Once complete, you'll see a confirmation message. You bought $10 of BTC. Celebrate with a crypto sticker. While you can share a sticker, I'll skip that step by tapping Not Now so we can review the transaction details instead. At the time of this purchase, Bitcoin's price stands at $39,127, reflecting a 0.5% increase over the past 24 hours and a 1% rise over the past week, indicating mostly sideways movement. For this transaction, I received 0.000254333 BTC, valued at $9.95 after accounting for fees, which means the transaction cost immediately reduced my amount by 55 cents. It's important to note that Venmo doesn't allow direct Bitcoin transfers to or from external wallets, which means your holdings are in a custodial account rather than a true cryptocurrency wallet. Additionally, selling Bitcoin on Venmo requires you to confirm your tax information. Now, let's discuss how to sell Bitcoin. To get started, return to the homepage and tap the crypto option at the bottom of the screen. This will bring you to the crypto dashboard, where you can see all the coins you own, including Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin to open its details, where you'll see its current price, price history, and other relevant data. At the bottom of the screen, tap Sell to begin. If prompted, Venmo may ask you to verify your identity. Simply follow the on-screen steps to complete the process. Once your identity is verified, enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to sell. After entering the amount, tap Next to proceed. Venmo will display the applicable transaction fees for the sale. Carefully review all the details, and if everything checks out, tap Sell again to confirm. And that's it. That's how you can buy and sell Bitcoin on Venmo.